This video is about Sarah's routine, and let's learn to talk about routines and habits through this video. Before you go, here are a few things that you need to know. We use simple present tense to talk about routines and habits. When the subject is singular, we use singular verb. That is the verb that ends with s or es. And when the subject is plural, we use base verb. Now watch the video and read each sentence with a missing word. Choose the correct word form and complete the sentence.